Good morning, friends. This morning I wanted to show you a really easy way to make a treat that is healthy and delicious. And I make these a lot for my family. And a special guest is trying to join us. This is my pupper, Chavito. Say hi, Chavito. Mwah. He's just excited that I have some food. So this treat is, like I said, very easy to make and only requires a few things. So you're going to need some Quaker oats, which maybe you have lying around. I've put about a cup and a quarter into a bowl. You need about a half cup of honey or natural maple syrup. I'm actually using a combination of the two, and I'm actually using honey that some of my students gave me. So thanks, Mackenzie and Jeffrey, for the honey. It's getting put to good use. I have a half a cup of natural peanut butter. You could use creamy or chunky. This is chunky because I like it. And then I have a half a cup of ground flax seeds to add some extra nutrition. You could definitely omit that if you wanted. And what you're going to do is mix all of these together. So I'm going to grab a spoon, and here's my bowl. And into the oats, I'm going to put the honey and maple syrup mixture. And I'll stick this in the sink because it's really sticky. And then the peanut butter mixture, or just the plain peanut butter in a bowl. Again, it's about a half cup. And the flax seeds. And then this is where it kind of gets fun, and you can add what you want. I am a fan of chocolate chips, so I'm going to add a couple of handfuls of chocolate chips. You could use white chocolate chips. You could do cacao nibs if that's your thing. I'm just going to go all in on the chocolate chips. And then I also like to use shredded coconut. It just kind of gives it a little extra flavor that I enjoy. I'm just going to kind of eyeball that. And now comes the fun part. You get to mix it. And you can mix it with a spoon if you like. But if your hands are nice and clean, I'm going to wash mine one more time. Don't forget to keep washing your hands. And then you just get to mix it all together. Let me make sure I'm washing my hands long enough. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. And let me dry off my hands. My handy dandy napkin. Okay. And then we're going to make this mixture come together. And this is where the kids will have a lot of fun being involved. And it is pretty sticky. And so once you've incorporated the mixture really well with your fingers, you're just going to make little balls with it and refrigerate them. So let me see, my hands are, they're all covered. But I'm going to make it into a ball shape. And I'm going to put it on some wax paper that I have prepared. And so you would make as many of these as you like, and you would put them in your fridge. You can put them layered on wax paper into a container and put them into your fridge. They keep best in the fridge, and then whenever you want a little snack, you can grab one. You could alternately put them in a pan, press them down into a pan, and when they're firm and chilled, you could cut them into bars. But again, this is just a delicious treat. My hands are all sticky. That you could make, and it's healthy. It's got oats, peanut butter, flax. Oh, I forgot to mention, if you're allergic to peanut butter, you could put any kind of nut butter, almond butter, cashew butter that you want to avoid that. So I hope that this has been a fun cooking lesson for you, and I hope that you enjoy making delicious energy bites at your home. And now my sticky fingers are going to stop this video, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week, and I'll see everyone really soon. Bye-bye.